Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MEKNEX and today I'm going to be sharing my struggle as a small YouTuber in Nigeria. The struggle is real. My struggle as a Nigerian YouTuber. I've been on this YouTube street for the past 1 year and 3 months, and I've experienced a lot of things that has made me want to give up. Some of them have made me stronger, and some of them wanted to break me, but no, we die here. So today is going to be like a get ready with me situation. I'm just going to be doing my makeup while we talk about this. So guys, my biggest challenge as a YouTuber here in Nigeria is actually where to film my videos. Where to film my video is a very big challenge, and under this where to film my video, I have like 3 obstacles there. The first one is that my environment is really dark. I mean, my space, especially my parlor, where I have like the comfortable place to film, is really dark, and I can hardly film there daytime. And even in the night, we usually do not have light in this part of Nigeria, Abia State. We don't have lights. So if I eventually want to film, it should be at night when I'll turn on my gen. And even if you turn on your gen, you can't do sit-down videos because the noise is going to be too much. So the environment to film is really a big problem for me, because noise is just something I can't. It's too much. The noise in this part of the world, even if it's not for your own gen, other people are turning on their own generators and everywhere is noisy. And for the fact that I'm not big enough to get a big lighting set for my room, I actually got a ring light, but the light is so low that it hardly does anything for my channel. So if I film with this ring light, it looks so bad that the video is so poor. And even if I decide to go outside to film, the noise there is just too much. You get children running around, you get generators turned on. If you even listen very well, you see that you can hear that there are generators around, and this noise are just too much for someone to shoot a sit-down video. That's why if you notice my videos, I usually make videos that have voiceover. So voiceover are really easier for me to fix into my videos, because when everybody is actually asleep, I can just go back to this video when there's no gen noise or any noise around. I can easily go back to this video and do a voiceover for it. So lighting, space where to film my video, the lighting and the noise is a very big challenge to me as a YouTuber here in Nigeria. And another thing that is a very big challenge to me, in case you see me looking this way, I wrote down some of the things that are a challenge to me on my notes. So another thing that is a very big challenge to me is battery. I actually film with my phone camera, and not so long my battery tends to go off, and sometimes I have power bank. So because of the challenge of not having much light in this environment, before you charge your phone, charge your power banks and all those things, it doesn't take long and everything will just go off. So even if you are trying to film a very long video, maybe like a day in a life, it doesn't you can't complete it because you have little battery, or you have no battery to complete such exercise. So the more reason why I pray I get a camera in future, maybe a camera, because my phone I use it for other things. I use it to chat and browse and edit and other things, so the battery doesn't last long. So this is also a very big challenge to me as a YouTuber. This limits the number of content I create a day. Sometimes I want to create more than one content, but my battery doesn't allow me, and it's a very big challenge to me. So another big challenge that I have is phone space. This one is like it kills me. it kills the zeal in me to shoot a video anytime I want to film a video, because when you have to delete every file on your phone just to film one video, it's very, very painful. Sometimes you are shooting a video and then you are in the spirit of filming this video, and before you know it, your phone is telling you phone memory not enough. So this one is a very, I don't know how to explain it, but this is one other challenge that I face, and it really makes me cry sometimes. I even went as far as buying external memory like a flash, but it doesn't help. I don't know what to actually do. But if any of you know what I should do about this phone space, please leave a comment down below for me, because right now I don't think I have that much fund to buy a camera that has a big space. And even if I want to buy another phone, I don't want to buy a phone that has a small memory. I want to buy a phone with large memory, and that also is money. So that is a very big challenge. So I might even generally say that the greatest challenge of a small YouTuber is money, because when you have money, you can easily buy a lighting set, you can easily get a microphone that shuts noise, you can easily get this camera and stuff like that. I think money is a major challenge. So another challenge that I have is data, but my husband helps me with that aspect of this challenge. Like data is a very big challenge. You know, uploading one 10 minutes video can take you up to 1 point something gig to upload, and this one is not really much of a challenge to me because my husband helps me with it. He's always funding me with data and all that, so I don't really have challenge then. After putting in effort, so much effort to film one video, taking your time to edit it, taking your time to upload and title and thumbnail and everything, you post it there and you get no view at the end of the day. This is really a very discouraging part of YouTube for small YouTubers. We all know that it's very difficult for a small YouTuber to start getting massive view in one day, unless you have someone already on this space who will advertise your videos for you. So this no view is a very big challenge, because when you put in effort and you're not seeing results, it's so painful. And I know a lot of people who has quit because of this. I've been on YouTube for 1 year plus, and up to now I still don't have the number of subscribers that YouTube requires from me. I still don't have number of watch hour that YouTube requires from me, and my views are still low. So all these are the struggles I face as a YouTuber, and many more struggles that I might not be able to say here. All these are discouraging struggles, but we move. We're here, and I want to beg any of you watching this video, please always try to support small YouTubers. When you see them, they put in so much effort to create the content you just watch. Please don't just leave their video without clicking on the like button, without subscribing. Clicking on the like button helps YouTube know that this video is actually valuable and can be watched. So guys, these are just like the few challenges I have as a YouTuber, and I want to categorically term all of it money challenge, because when there is money, most of all these things will be sorted out. And I think when you have a good camera and you have a good quality video, people tend to watch your video more than when you are filming with an inferior quality item, inferior quality gadgets. All right guys, thank you so much for coming back. I thought this video was going to be a get ready with me video, but like we just saw, I've used all the time to talk. I'll just come back and show you the end look of this. Bye, see you in my next